Hi there. I wanted to show you unboxing your starter kit and how to get started. So this is the most common starter kit. You would have gotten your Young Living box right here. This is the one, the Desert Mist, that most people get started with. Not everyone, but most people. So you would get the plastic off of this box here and lift that off. Then has this little ribbon tab. Lift that up and you will see that you have some oils on top. Now, a lot of people don't realize that there is a second layer to this box and they don't go past this. So lift those oils off, put it to the side, and lift up this second layer. And then you will find that you have your Ningxia. An updated kit's gonna also have a spray, Thieves spray instead of this Thieves cleaner. And you also will have 2 extra oils in the bottom, as well as a Thieves hand sanitizer. Okay, so make sure that you have that second layer and you look and find your stuff in the bottom. You also will have this little sleeve right here that will have some information in there, and it's going to have like a little book that tells you information about using the oils and all of that kind of stuff. Now, this is your Desert Mist diffuser that comes in the red box that will be in your kit. Now, what you do to set up your diffuser is you lift off the top, then lift off that cone. Something handy that some people don't realize is that you can actually just put your thumb on the bottom of that cone and fill it up with water, and then you can pour that water in to the inside of your diffuser. Now, what I like to do is put the oils in first, so you can do 3 to 4 drops of Stress Away if you want to start out with, or Peace and Calming, and put the drops in here, then fill it up with water. This is going to be the perfect amount of water that you need, but it's a line in here. And you don't want to go above that line because the diffuser will not work properly if you have it overfilled. Then you put the cone back on, line it up, there it goes. Put this back on top, and then the on button is going to be where you control whether you're doing a high mist, a low mist, or an intermittent mist. So if you hit it once, twice, or 3 times. I don't have any water in here, which is why it's flashing. And then this button, the light button, controls your light settings. And so you turn it on, change the setting for how much it diffuses, or you, and then you also can change the light settings, which can be different colors or the candlelight flicker, or you can turn it off. And let it run until it runs out of water, and then it will stop running. The motor will stop running, but the light will stay on. So it's perfectly fine to just let it go, even if you're not in the house. Okay. You also will receive an essential oil magazine in there, which you can read up on, and it will tell you, you know, some different things of recipes that you can cook with, tell you a little bit about Gary Young, as well as, you know, some different things that you can do, like giving your hair a natural lift and support and all that kind of stuff. So you can learn a little bit more. And then you also have your product guide, which will show you all the products that Young Living has. They update it every year after they announce new products in June or July, depending on when the convention is. And then we'll add an update. So keep this, don't throw this away, because you can use it to flip through. Keep a little notepad as to what you would like to order on your list and everything. And what most of us leaders in the group do is that are personally enrolled, we send welcome packages to. So it depends on who you enroll with, but then you would get a welcome package and have a little welcome book with some like little note cards and stuff that would give you some diffuser recipes, some DIY information and stuff like that. We reach out to you and see how we can help you. And then if you're plugged into your Facebook group in here, then you can ask all these questions and everything too to help you learn. So please feel free to let us know whenever you have any questions, but take advantage of logging into your virtual office, which is youngliving.com/V as in Victor, O as in on, VO. And then you can log on using your username and or member ID and then password. And then you can look at the products. You can go to member resources and learn some more information, but that is just unboxing your starter kit and getting started with your oils.